Right, I want to tell you about this brilliant bit of kit. It's a Workzone Aldi tool again. It's a multi-tool. Workzone. Now, I bought one of these years ago and it was mains powered, and I always buy a cheap one, and if it's any good I'll buy a decent one. So I bought this cheap one and it was okay, worked brilliant, and I used it a lot. But these were held on by an Allen screw which kept coming loose, and that was the only downside of it. So good, I thought, that I bought another one when they came up again for my son, who does a bit of DIY, but his came in a blow moulded case like this, whereas mine came in a cardboard box, which I was a bit peed off about, but it was still 30 quid. And then I thought, well, I'll get some use out of it, so I'll perhaps buy a DeWalt, which was 175 quid, but it's got a throttle on it, and I thought, well, I'll use it a lot, so I might go for that. And then just as I was thinking about that, Aldi went and did it again, and they brought this one out. Rechargeable. Brilliant. It's a lovely bit of kit, and not only rechargeable, but it's also got this fast. Oh, hang on a minute. Get it right if you're going to demonstrate it. It's a good job I'm not selling them, isn't it? There you go. And then you've got a light here, you've got a work light there that's useless anyway, and a speed control. Brilliant. So watch out for them when they come up again. You get that, obviously. You get this extractor, which I never, that way, which I never use, and an adapter for it, for a thing, vacuum cleaner, handle, which I never use. You get one of them, because I've got a spare one, round thingy you get with it, there's one, a blade, metal cutter, another metal cutter, that most useful thing, use that all the time. And you get a selection of pads as well, and then in here there is a diamond thing for cutting tiles, all in a very nice blow moulded case. There you go. So I ought to be on QVC and call myself Barry. There you go, Barry. I'll just pop this back on the shelf. There you go, Barry. Well done, Barry. Well popped.